G'day everybody, welcome to Coach M Tips, and I'm here to talk about the concept of listening with empathy. Not just listening, listening in itself is a practice, is a daily practice, and so is empathy. So notice that was one of your first coaching tools right there, instead of the word but, the word and. Okay, even if something that you don't agree with, see if you can connect sentences with the word and. Okay, so you could either say something like, I respect, you can appreciate somebody else's viewpoint, you can acknowledge, all right, and then simply have empathy, understand that everyone has a different map of the world, and use the word and instead of but, yet, however, although. It happens subconsciously. You've got to bring it to your conscious awareness to be more aware of it, and then connect whatever it is that you would like to share or ask a curious coaching question. So it's a quick tip, but and is something, a daily practice. As you know, in my book, What Makes a Great Coach, things are practices, not chapters. So have a go with and instead of but, yet, however, although, to make sure that you are listening, and use the words that they use when you're, I respect that you said, insert the words that they used as well to show that you really were and you really do value the art of listening. So you don't have to walk necessarily in my shoes, because often they're just fabulous, from John Flew Vlog, by the way, Larimer Street. But it is important to be able to, I just said but. I'm not even going to edit that out. Okay, that was an unforced error, and it was a subconscious unforced error. So what I needed to say is that you don't have to walk in my shoes. All I'm asking is that you can walk alongside me and ask yourself, do you see what I see? All right, this is my map of the world, and do you see it? So connect it with the word and see what unfolds for you. With joy, I've got my joy bracelet on today. So your coach reflection question of the month is, when was the last time you listened without the intent to reply, and what did you learn? So have fun with that. Go ahead, being fully present, and take action on your listening skills, because the ball, as you know by now, is in your court. Enjoy your coaching.